Greetings, good day. Blessings, glad risings. Yeah, we'll go this way. Yep. It's a little bit of an overcast day. It was rainy. Hi, Yara. What a good girl. Where's that Osh boy? What do you say, Yara? Oh, you think I'm gonna throw this for you, don't you? You guys both look like you want me to throw this, huh? Osh is gonna almost go for it, but he's gonna be such a good boy and let Yara get it. Oh, I see a wild James in the distance. I'll go talk to him in a second. Good dogs, yes. Come on, Yara. You gotta leave it though. Yeah, she likes Goose and the neighbor dog. You can't even reach that, Osh. You're so silly. Sniffing the bumper. Okay, so watermelon everywhere, and some pepperoncinis. I love this little clover in here. Hoping it blows up. Oh, that's a good leave it, Yara. That's a good leave it. Looking very concernedly at the neighbors. You're all right. Good leave it. Wow, these watermelons are coming in strong. Some of them more than others, but all right. In my rock collection, blessings. I've been sorting them. You see biggest down to smallest, and there's gravel over there, and I have a box of smooth rocks, river rocks. Okay. Whoa, sorry, we'll get a steady cam. This is the platform we've been building. For whatever reason, it's coming in good. I saved some of these sticks because they have some of the char from the original Mackenzie fire in them, and I like them, and I want to line the camp in them. That's storage unit numero uno. It worked pretty good when we went to the fair, but as I just discovered, some of my squash seeds are getting, well, they're fermenting in something down there. So we'll get to clear that out at a point. I made this second storage to get the other part of the stuff, but I only put a few things in there that I wasn't super worried if they got wet, because I didn't totally know if it was going to work yet. It's taped on one of the corners that ripped off. Anyways, seems to be holding up. I love this tarpology I set up here. This main line is my Umpqua rope. It leads over to those viney maple and to that main cherry. And then I knew I could draw lines. There's this line and there's that line over there. They come off this tarp. And they're put up in a cool way with this pole here. That's ratcheted down over there. My fruit picking pole. So that's created this shelter. All this wood was in it. Well, there's quite a bit more, and it was all in a jumble right here. Some of my other videos will show that. Good boy, Osh. So this morning hi bud, spent a bunch of time. What a good boy. Oh, did you find a ball? Oh, yes, good boy. I was asking for the other ball. Oh, what a good boy. Now we got 2 balls. Oh, good boy. We can throw them one for each of you. Okay. I threw these bricks down right outside of this cover. When I got this cover up, and I threw these bricks down and started making this. This whole pile of wood was just like blah right here until I was able to mischief manage it into some sorted piles. And then once that was all established and warmed, then I went and rescued some of the wood I had saved up the hill, which I cut and is all now cutely stacked right there for reference. This rocket stove takes the littlest logs, but it's hot. I won't touch it. It goes, it burns, and this is that's a propane tank, an oxygen bottle. This oxygen bottle goes 28 inches up into this giant propane tank, right about to like here probably, and then hits this surface. That creates the rocket stove concept, and then it cools down, and the chimney is in the bottom. And then it comes out, and it's very clean. You can't really tell. It's. I'll check. We'll build up the fire and then take a step back. So, how you doing in there? Always with the best sound effects. This rocket stove, I'll say. See if I can hold the camera in a meaningful way without blocking or stopping the video and supporting myself. Let's see. Oh, it's hot. And just the door is hot. Oh. Come on, cutie little log. Oh, yeah. There it is. I was going a little further up in there than I usually go for, but it's extra long. No, Yara. Come on. Yara. Leave it. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get her. Yara. Leave it, leave it, leave it, Yara. The doggy explosion. So we got it warm and cozy in the bus. We got it reasonably warm and cozy out here. I keep feeding wet wood into this fire, so it keeps going out, but that's okay. It's staying alive, and maybe I'll make some tea on it here soon. I just wanted to get to the point where I could take this little video, and this was raking up nicely the last few days, but today it's just going to be mud, so. And then I think the next goal, we've already made a path kind of up this way, up there. There's stairs along here, and that is a level platform. And you can see we've carved away at the wall here. And there's another platform up there where those stones are. Maybe I could just walk up there, but maybe next time. Might as well do a site tour since we're here. See, this is where I walk, the big stone. Yeah. There was more of a path here, you know, a couple months ago, if you will. A bit more active on it. Okay, I'm on the platform. Hi, Ash. Thanks, bud. Coming up the hill. Help me showcase. See, there's those boulders I was talking about. Rocks I was talking about. Good boy, Ash. It goes all the way over there. We started kind of, there's a dump here, so we've been moving earth out this way and this way. This was like, obviously a hillside here when I started. Good boy, Ash. There's a spring up in this direction. I think that's what this pipe is for. You'll see it down on the pad too. I have intentions of going up that way and clearing a path. You can see there's a pad over there. That's where I was just standing. There's kind of a way up this way to another pad. And we actually have cleared a little bit back in there. A little bit up here, even up, there's a trail that goes right through there that we've done some clearing up. And it connects to the trail back that way even. Anyways, the lay of the land. Camp Hug 25. Yeah, the rocket stove's burning clean. You can't really tell that there's anything coming out of it. And we get a pretty good view when it's not so foggy off in the distance. You can't really see much of anything right now with it all. Beautiful Oregon scene. Was something to set up shop in there, Ash? Sniff, sniff, sniff. What a good boy. Are you sniffing, bud? Oh. Something must have moved. That tail. What a snarf. Oh, now he's chewing the sticks. Oh. He's pulling the roots out. I feel like Papa just built that. It's okay. The Bubs plays. Oh, the good boy, Ash. I don't know if I caught, but in the bus I have a whole row of towels laid out, a doormat, and so there's like a long row that he gets to walk on when he jumps in to clean his feet. And then there's towels on the bed too, so, and he can only jump up in one area right now, so he'll land on the towels, and otherwise he'd be a muddy mess. What a good boy. But it's raining. Maybe we let them rest in their home right now. Come on, Bubs. Yeah, they're probably holed up being cozy too. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Oh! Stickers. Trying to shake my hand. Okay. Yeah. This line is holding good on this tarp. Doing a real good thing. And before I added the post, it was funny, it kept filling up just enough and then it would just flood on here. I built like a Shishu Adoshi fountain every like 5 minutes or so. It would just and had to watch out because it kept splashing hot water all over me. Alright, maybe it's time. See, up the hill. Now we're about to be under the hill. I'm just gonna go right here. Tunnel. All right. Much love, family. Oh. That's Oregon. I really haven't been able to appreciate it fully until now. Being in the desert where there's no water, I mean until it floods. Like, I usually have my fountain on over here for this tranquil sound, but everything's fountaining at the moment. Nice work, everyone. But it's dry in there somehow. Okay. Well, that's going for a moment. Maybe we throw another stick on. Oh, sorry. We're still working on the cameras here, bud. Blah. Maybe a gimbal would help. I know it does tracking and stuff, so. Anyways. We're gonna see how this sweetie Osh boy is doing. Look at this, I put the blanket up for him. I love this blanket. Somebody had a real good nostalgic memory with this blanket at the Rainbow Gathering and had it out. Hi, good boy. Hi, my good boy. Hi, are you staying warm in here? Oh, it's very warm. It's like at least 70, maybe 80 degrees. Oh, yeah, we're rocketing away. Nice work, Zen. I have the bed partitioned off with towels over here and his toys so you can jump up and lay down and look out safely. Oh, my good boy. We're gonna wipe the camera. Look, you've been eating your foods. You got water here. We got a little fly. It's hanging out with you, staying warm. Let's open this baby up and see what we got going. What a good boy. Got a good angle. Really good boy. That's the best sound. Ye old rocket stove swinging open. Oh yeah. Whoa, there's some cool stuff happening in the back over there. Do you see that? Wow. Wow, that was cool. I have Copal here. White Copal. And so when this gets hot, it kind of effervesces and smells quite sweetly. Actually, I could put another log in there, actually. Oh, it smells so nice of Copal in here right now. You getting some good aromatherapy, Osh? Make sure that's closed. I'll leave that open. That was the top off the propane tank, you know, for the cap. They cut it off and turned it into a... Used to have a little stopper over there. Oh, Bubs, your medicine is warm. I got some coconut oil with some herbs and diatomaceous earth in here. He's been an itching boy. You're not itching right now, though. Whoa. What am I hearing? Clunking. I keep hearing clunking happening. I don't know what's going on. I just had the thought that it could be... no. I just thought if it was the welds, but that doesn't... I've fired this thing 1,000 times. I know. Something's clunking. Love you, love you, love you. Love you, Osh. I'm gonna let you dry out a little bit more and then I'll put the medicine on you. We're gonna go. Oh. Yeah, bud. Yeah. Bus. Oh man, I haven't shown this. This is like one of my favorite pieces. Right here. Can you see that? The little Zen bus my cousin Sarah made me. Oh, it's so lovely. Thank you, Sarah. Rocket stove going out the light hole. Love it. I've wrapped the ceiling temporarily magnetically with some sheets because I pulled out all the insulation and etc. because it was on fire. For those that weren't part of that story, check it out. All the bubbles from the fire in the windows. Go check out Zen the Bus Instagram and find all the treats. I need to get a social media manager for Osh's stuff, for Zen's stuff. Melted bubbles in the window from when it caught fire. Good on you, Melissa, for putting out the fire. These guys are happy about it. Or gals, you know. Bow wow. Oh, we got the little mini Zen bus in here from Katie and Emmers. With the sage roof rack, naturally. And the glittery windows. Yeah, see, at Zen the Bus. Check it out. And they even got the sparkly melted windows. We know what's up. Zoom, zoom. Some Umpqua art. Some Keith drum lessons. Gundun. Godo Pata. We can only show part of that photo. Mr. Roller Skater on the roof. That was at the Renegade Burn with Up of the Dog. What a good old boy that guy is. Good old memories. Every little action brings a reaction. Satisfy my soul. Satisfy my soul. There's a Forest Fellow with Brandon and Bree. Whoa, what good memories. Bree is a musician, and she wrote a song called, I think it's called Pacific Northwest. Her group, Sweet. Oh, love, please forgive me. Well, you go find that Pacific Northwest song and you'll find her. Lots of good music, and she even wrote a couple verses about meeting the Zen bus and Capitan Verde. Oh, I got these cute little chess pieces I found on the beach, Bombay Beach. Anywho, looks like it's about time to go check our fire out there. Rain's cooled off a little bit. Osh is warming up.